Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open the developer option or the browser console option in Chrome or Firefox. So I'm going to show you the both browser into how to open the developer console option. So first I'm going to show you the Google Chrome here. Just go to Google Chrome, and so if you want to inspect or open the browser console here, you just have to go to the right corner here you can see there's the option three dot menu here. Click here, and now you can see there's the option here called more tools. So when you go to the more tools, you can see there's the option called developer tools. So if you click developer tools, the browser console will open. So you can see there's also the keyboard shortcut here. So it's control shift plus I, so you have to press the button at the same time. So I'm going to click here developer tools. Now you can see the browser console, the developer console of the Google Chrome is open here. So also you can, if you right click on the any page, and you can see there's an option called inspect. If you click the inspector option, it will also open the browser console here. So I'm going to show you how to open the browser console of Firefox here. Now I'm going to go to the Firefox here. For Firefox it's also the same. You just have to go to the three line right corner here option here, click on it, and you can see there's an option called web developer. So you just to click on it, and from the up here you can see there's an option called toggle tools. So you just have to click here, and you can see the browser console is open up here. Also the same way you can inspect element. If you click the inspect element, right click, then you can see there's an option called inspect element. It will also open up the browser console or the developer tools for Firefox there. So this is very pretty easy and simple tutorial for you guys. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.